Hello and welcome to my channel, Thai Caliente. I'm Renee Fuentes, and on my channel I will show you guys how to make healthier versions of Thai and Mexican recipes. So if you're new to here, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself. So I am half white, half Thai. My mom is from Thailand, and I learned how to cook Thai food from my mother. And I married Danny, who is from Mexico, and learned how to cook Mexican recipes from my mother-in-law. So 3 years ago, I decided that I wanted to document some of these delicious recipes that I had been making and that I learned from my mom and from my mother-in-law, and hence Thai Caliente was born. As a mom of 2 younger kids, I completely understand the time constraints of cooking and having a nice meal on the dinner table every day. My goal and purpose with this channel is to show you guys that cooking can be fun, it can be easy and stress-free. Just take a little time for planning and have your ingredients ready, and you too can make delicious meals at home for your family. So I really hope you guys stay around and watch some of my videos, and be sure to give me any comments or feedback that you like. All of my recipes can be found on thaicaliente.com, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.